It's 2025. Prices keep going up, technology changes how we work, and ads are everywhere, telling us to buy more. But many people are choosing a different path. They're living frugally, not because they have to, but because it makes life simpler and easier to manage. Frugal living today doesn't mean being cheap or giving up everything fun. It's about making smart choices, spending on what truly matters, and letting go of things that don't add value. It's about peace of mind, not just saving money. In a world full of endless options, frugality cuts through the noise. It helps people focus, reduce stress, and build a future with more freedom. Modern frugality is a powerful tool for a better life. In this video, I will show how frugal living can simplify your life, not just for today, but for the years ahead. You'll discover how this mindset saves time, energy, and money while creating more space for the things you love. In 2025, frugality isn't about less, it's about living smarter, clearer, and happier. Number 1. The evolution of frugality, from scarcity to strategy. Frugality used to be about survival. During tough times like the Great Depression, people had to save every penny because they had no choice. It was about getting by with less when money was tight. But today, frugality has changed. It's no longer just for hard times. In 2025, people choose to live frugally because it gives them control, freedom, and peace of mind. It's not about being poor, it's about being smart. With rising prices, job changes due to AI, and climate concerns, frugal living has become a thoughtful way to live. People are cutting out waste, choosing quality over quantity, and spending only on what truly matters. It's about having fewer, better things and more time for what you love. For example, many now follow the intentional spending trend. They don't ask, "Can I afford this?" but rather, "Does this improve my life?" This simple shift saves money, reduces stress, and creates more room for what matters most. In the past, frugality was about surviving. Today, it's a smart strategy for thriving in an uncertain world. It's about living better, not just cheaper. Number 2. Frugality as a mental simplifier. Less noise, more focus. Frugal living doesn't just save money, it clears your mind. In 2025, life feels busier than ever. We're flooded with choices every day, from what to wear to what to watch. Studies show that the average person makes around 35,000 decisions daily, and this constant decision-making leads to stress and mental exhaustion. Frugality helps by cutting down the noise. When you choose to live simply, you create fewer decisions for yourself. You don't waste time choosing between 10 brands of shampoo or scrolling through endless online stores. Instead, you focus on what really matters. Take Emma, a remote worker, for example. She adopted a capsule budget, like a capsule wardrobe. She limits her spending to a few key categories: housing, healthy food, transport, and personal growth. This not only saves her money, but also gives her more mental energy for work and hobbies. A study by the American Psychological Association found that people practicing mindful spending reported 20% lower anxiety and better focus. Frugality frees up brain power because you're not constantly thinking about what to buy next. It's like decluttering your house. When you remove extra stuff, your home feels calmer. Frugality does the same for your mind. You stop chasing sales, comparing prices, and regretting purchases. Instead, you enjoy what you already have. In the end, frugality isn't just about money. It's about peace of mind. It gives you more time, energy, and focus for the things that truly make life meaningful: family, hobbies, health, and personal growth. In a world full of distractions, frugal living offers clarity and calm. Number 3. Financial freedom, the real cost of convenience. Convenience feels nice, but it often comes with a hidden cost. In 2025, it's easier than ever to click, subscribe, and spend without thinking. Food delivery, streaming services, and automatic renewals make life smooth, but they slowly drain your wallet. The average household now has around 17 active subscriptions, from entertainment to shopping apps. According to a 2025 study, many people spend over $300 a month on services they barely use. This kind of spending doesn't just hurt your budget, it limits your freedom. Frugal living helps you break free from this cycle. It's not about saying no to everything. It's about asking, is this convenience worth the cost? Take the reverse budget approach, a new trend gaining popularity. Instead of planning how to spend your money, start with zero. Add only the essentials: rent, groceries, transportation, and savings. Everything else, optional. This method helps you see what truly matters and avoid mindless spending. For example, Sarah, a teacher, realized she was paying for 4 streaming services, but only used one. By cutting the rest, she saved $600 a year, enough for a short vacation. Frugal choices like cooking at home, using public transport, or canceling unused subscriptions don't just save money. They build habits that make you feel in control. When you stop paying for convenience you don't need, you free up money for what you really want, like travel, education, or early retirement. In the end, frugal living is about choosing freedom over mindless spending. It reminds us that true convenience comes from having fewer financial worries and more choices in life. Number 4. Frugality in a tech-driven world. Smart, not cheap. In 2025, technology makes life easier, but it also makes spending easier. With one click, you can order food, buy clothes, or subscribe to another service. But smart frugal living isn't about avoiding technology, it's about using it wisely. Modern frugality means choosing tech that saves money, time, and stress. For example, apps like Plum and Clio now use AI to track your spending habits. They don't just show you where your money goes. They suggest ways to save without making you feel guilty. Another smart trend is productive minimalism. Instead of buying the latest gadgets, frugal people focus on fewer, high-quality tools. A single powerful laptop replaces multiple devices. One subscription replaces 5. This approach reduces clutter, saves money, and boosts focus. Take David, a freelance designer. He stopped upgrading his phone every year and now keeps his devices for at least 4 years. The result? He saves around $800 yearly while still enjoying reliable tech. Frugality also meets sustainability in repair cafes, a growing trend worldwide. These community spaces let people fix broken gadgets instead of tossing them out. This not only saves money, but also reduces e-waste. Even shopping has changed. Instead of chasing sales, smart frugal shoppers use AI-powered price trackers. These tools alert you when the price drops for something you actually need. In the end, frugal living in a tech-driven world isn't about being cheap. It's about being smart. It's choosing technology that works for you, not against you. Number 5. The emotional payoff. More than just money. Frugal living doesn't just save money, it brings peace of mind. In 2025, life feels fast and overwhelming. Ads push us to buy more, and social media makes it seem like everyone else has more. But choosing a frugal lifestyle helps you step away from this pressure and focus on what truly matters. Studies from the World Health Organization, 2025, show that people who practice mindful spending report 23% lower stress levels. Why? Because they worry less about bills, debt, and keeping up with trends. Frugality also boosts happiness by shifting focus from things to experiences. When you're not chasing the next big purchase, you have more time and money for family, hobbies, and personal growth. Take James, a digital nomad. He follows a 10-thing rule, never owning more than 10 non-essential items. He says it's not just about saving money, it's about feeling free. Less clutter means a clearer mind and more energy for what he loves, traveling and learning new skills. In the end, the real reward of frugal living is peace. It's about feeling calm, confident, and in control. When you spend less on things, you gain more of what truly matters: time, freedom, and happiness. Number 6. Preparing for the future. Frugality as a resilience tool. Frugal living isn't just about saving money today, it's about being ready for tomorrow. In 2025, the world is changing fast. AI is reshaping jobs, inflation remains unpredictable, and emergencies can happen anytime. Frugality gives you the flexibility to handle life's surprises without stress. When you spend less and save more, you build a safety net. This means if you lose your job, face a medical bill, or want to switch careers, you have the freedom to do so without panic. Frugality also encourages self-reliance. Learning simple skills, like cooking, repairing clothes, or budgeting, makes you less dependent on expensive services. Communities are embracing this mindset, too. Skill-sharing groups and barter systems are growing, helping people trade talents instead of money. In short, frugality isn't just about cutting costs, it's about gaining control. It's your best tool for staying strong, calm, and prepared for whatever the future brings. Frugal living in 2025 is more than just saving money. It's about creating a simpler, calmer, and more meaningful life. By spending less on things you don't need, you gain more time, freedom, and peace of mind. Frugality helps you focus on what truly matters: quality over quantity, experiences over possessions, and freedom over stress. It's not about sacrifice, but about making smarter choices that lead to long-term happiness. Imagine having fewer bills, less clutter, and more money for the things you love. Travel, learning new skills, or spending time with family. That's the true reward of frugal living. The best part? Anyone can start. In a world obsessed with more, frugality offers something far more valuable: a life of clarity, contentment, and true wealth. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. If you made it to this point in the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.